POV or a headlight bulb. I've had the Cougar for just over a year now, so it's finally time to fix the reason that I crashed it. So today, I'm going to try to fix the headlights. The reason they're so nasty is because the seal on the edge here, where the housing meets the lens, is starting to break down, and so it's letting water in. And so this whole bucket will fill up with water, and then it'll start to grow mold around the bottom. And this one also, you can see there's some general nastiness in there. They also are very hazed. This swirl I'm probably not going to be able to get out. This little, I don't know what this is, I think it's like road tar. I can almost scratch it off. There we go, that's a little bit better. The order of operations I think is going to be to clean out this mold first with some water. Then I'm going to try to separate the lenses from the housings, wet sand, use cutting compound and then polishing compound, and then finally some sort of coating to finish it off. And then try to reseal them onto the housings again. Hopefully that does the trick. See how it goes. Got both turn signals taken apart. Other one's down there on the end of the bench. These were a bit tricky. It's especially tough with the curved lens. I'm just using a heat gun because I'm too chicken to put these in the oven too. So, you know, heating a gradual portion of it and then trying to pry it back. You're not really supposed to, but I've been working gently at it with an X-Acto, and this has actually really helped just to sort of cut through some of the adhesive, because the stuff on these is really, really hard from the factory. It's probably hardened with age too. I've got a test sample here with a few different adhesives on one of my broken headlight buckets. So I'll let those dry overnight. In the meantime, my evil solution to fix the missing reflectors in most of this bucket is to use aluminum backed tape. Sounds like a very janky evil fix, and it kind of is, but apparently people have been passing MOTs in Europe with this stuff, and if it can match factory brightness for MOT, it can probably deal with close to factory brightness for my headlights that don't ever get inspected.